Hello everyone, welcome to video lecture. In this module, we will discuss how the water and minerals are transported to the different parts of the plant. As you all know, living organisms need food, air, water, oxygen to grow and survive. In the same way, the plants also need food, air, and water, and that is transported to the different parts of the plant through conducting tissues that is called xylem and phloem. Xylem transports water and minerals from roots to the other parts of the plant. It consists of xylem, vessel, and tracheids. Water and minerals enter the roots by the process of diffusion. Then, due to transpiration, the suction pull is generated, which helps in movement of water and minerals upward. Now, you can see that it consists of xylem vessels and there are no end walls between the cells. And phloem vessel, it have end walls with perforations, and there is two-way movement in phloem vessel, means the water can move in both directions, upward and downward direction, and in xylem the water is flowing only in upward direction. Now, how the water is absorbed from roots? The roots have thin hair-like structures that is called root hair. Root hair are the outer growths. They help in absorption of water and minerals from roots because they are in direct contact with the soil. Now, the water enters from root to the root hair through the process known as osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of water molecules from higher concentration. Water is absorbed by the roots in the same way. The roots here are in direct contact with the water surrounding the soil particles. Normally, the water molecules are more crowded outside the root hair than the inside. So the water moves from root hair through the process of osmosis. The root cells absorb water and minerals continuously. This creates a pressure that pushes the water upward. The transportation of water and dissolved minerals from roots to the stem takes place through the xylem vessel. Now, phloem. Phloem transports food from leaves to the other parts of the plant. This process is known as translocation. It consists of seed tubes and companion cells. Food from leaves is transferred to the xylem by the energy of ATP molecules. Due to osmotic pressure, water enters the phloem and helps in transportation of food. Now, this you can see how the food is transported to the different parts of the plant. That process is known as translocation. Now, transpiration. Large quantities of water are absorbed by plant for the process of photosynthesis. All this water is not used. The excess water escapes in the form of vapors through stomata present on the underside of the leaves. The process of losing water in the form of vapors is known as transpiration. Transpiration of water creates a suction pull which pulls the water upward from the roots to the other parts of the plant. It is strong enough to force water up high the trees. As the water is given out by transpiration, more water is absorbed. It keeps the plant cool. If the water lost is more and the water absorbed is less, then the plant cells will lose water and the plant will wilt. This process is known as wilting. Thank you and have a nice day.